So hi, good evening everyone. I am Mark Parniasid. So for today's evening, I will be discussing about or I'll be reporting about what are the example of technology collaborative tools used in teachings or the tools used in teachings. So first example is the Flipgrid. So Flipgrid is a free video discussion platform built by Microsoft that helps create a social learning classroom environment. This application lets teachers post discussion prompts and enable students to respond in a short video format. Next is the Kahoot. Kahoot is an educational platform that is based on the games and questions. This is the same with the Quizlet quizzes and yes. So Kahoot is through this tool, teachers can create questions, discussion, or surveys that complement academic lessons. The materials projected in a classroom and questions are answered by students by playing and learning at the same time. Next is the Google Classroom. So I know every one of us are pretty much familiar with this one. I know we are using this Google Classroom. So Google Classroom combines Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Calendar into a single platform where assignments, collaborations, communications, and grading are integrated into one ecosystem. Next is the Animoto. Animoto is a digital tool that allows you to create high-quality videos in a short time and from any mobile device, inspiring students and helping improve academic lessons. So Animoto is an interface-friendly and practical, allowing teachers to create audiovisual content that adapts to educational tools. Next is the PerDeck. PerDeck is the full free service that's similar in the Nerdpad. It brings your slide presentations to life. You can build interactive lessons, quizzes, polls right in PerDeck. So plus your student will have the ability to interact with your lessons by responding to questions or prompts on their own screens in a real time. Next is the Edmodo. Edmodo is an educational tool that connects teachers and students, and it's assimilated into a social network. So in this one, teachers can create online collaboration groups, administer and provide educational materials, measure student performance, and communicate with parents among other functions. Next is the ClassDuo. ClassDuo is a tool to improve student behavior. Teachers provide their students with the instant feedback so that the disposition in the class is rewarded with the points and students have a more receptive attitude towards the learning process. ClassDuo provides real-time notifications to students like for example, well done Earl, you have a +1 for working collaboratively. The information that is collected about the student behavior can be shared later with the parents and administered through the web. Next is the Quizlet. So this is the same with the Kahoot. So Quizlet provides a platform for students and teachers to create and share their own learning materials, including flashcards and diagrams. So this is also called the Quizlet Live. It is free in-class quiz game produced by Quizlet that can bring these learning materials into life. In this engaging the interactive game, students most of all contribute, stay focused, and communicate will to win. Next is the Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is an app that takes any video and turns into an educational tool. Teachers simply add their chosen video and set up for students with questions about the content and assign into them via their regular LMS. Oh, LMS stands for Learning Management System. So Edpuzzle integrates with the Google Classroom and many other LMS platform as well. And notable features of Edpuzzle is that teachers can easily track student progress. Next is the Freezy. I know every one of us are nakayuse na sa Freezy. Freezy is a digital software for creating interactive presentations. According to their research, the innovative way Freezy helps you to make presentation by zooming leads more effective, more persuasive, more effective, and more engaging presentation than presentation made a PowerPoint. So Freezy allows students to create presentations that are more creative and more exciting than what PPT has to offer. Next is the Zoom. I know, yes, this Zoom is similar with the Google Meet. So Zoom, kung mo gamit yung Zoom is cash siya glued kay SAS, Google Meet. So Zoom is gained popularity during the pandemic for its versatility as a presentation tool and webinar platform while students learn online. Its security, live video, classroom functionality, and chat feature for social interaction make Zoom as a useful distance learning tool. So next is the Google Meet. So this is, kanino na ito magamit? So Google Meet, also known as Google Hangouts Meet, it's built to let dozens of people join with the same virtual meeting and speak or or share video with each other from anywhere with internet access. So for Zoom, um, participants which is the 1,000. So makakuan siya parts 1,000. So ang Google Meet di siya makaabot og 1,000 participants. So next is the TED-Ed. TED-Ed is an educational platform that allows creating educational lessons with the collaborations of teachers, students, animator, generally people who wants to expand knowledge and good ideas. So this website allows democratizing access to informations, both for teachers and students. Here people can have an active participation in learning process of others. Next is Remind. So Remind is a communication tool that connects teachers, students, and parents instant no matter where they are. So Remind tips and tricks to help turn the communication platform into a powerful tool that will enhance the learning experience and student in and out of the class. Next is the Microsoft Teams. So Microsoft Teams is similar po din sa Google Meet and Google Zoom. Maka-share kag screen or your presentations. So Microsoft Teams brings the best of several worlds together under one roof. You can share your screen or notes, conduct presentations, promote chatting, and bring everyone together through video conferencing. Next is the Scratch. Scratch is a simple, fun, and engaging introduction and programming designed specifically for 8 to 16 years old users are combine music, graphics, and photos to create interactive games, animations, and slideshows. So, Scratch all the other creators and shareable with others in student online community. So, next is the Tingling. As you can see the logo itself, you can see the music and the text and the sounds. So, Tingling allows education to create interactive images with music, sounds, text, and photographs. These can be shared on their website or the social networks such as Twitter or Facebook. So Tingling offers the possibility for teachers to create learning methodologies that awaken the curiosity of students through interactive content that can expand their knowledge. Next is the Pictochart. Pictochart is the powerful yet easy-to-use online tool that allows anyone to create infographics and more, from reports and slides to posters and flyers. So this tool is built to work digitally but can also be used in print since it aims to professional use. Teachers and students can turn otherwise dry data into graphically engaging and even entertaining visuals. Next is the quizzes. So quizzes, as what I said earlier, quizzes are the same with the Kahoot and the Quizlet. Kahoot. Quizzes is primarily an online-based quiz tool that offers like a game show. That means a questions and answer platform that mixes across with a web browsers and Chrome as well as phone and Android devices with dedicated apps for both. Next is Storyboard. Storyboard aims to promote writing and reading skills in students through storytelling. In this tool, teachers can create interactive and artistic book online through a simple and easy-to-use interface. So, Storyboard is pretty much useful. It is used to enhance our writing skills. So the stories are created and edited in blogs sent by email and printed among other options. In Storyboard, teachers can also create projects with students, give constant feedback, and organize classes and grades. Next is the Quizalize. Quizalize is, yes, it is similar with the Kahoot and Quizzes and Kahoot and Quizzes, Quizlet and Quizzes. So Quizalize is a great tool that allows teachers to easily create quizzes and homework for students. Teachers can then see how the student did they identify areas of the environment. Next is the Flickrs. Flickrs allows teachers to collect real-time formative assessment data without the need for the student devices. Perfect for the one device classroom. Next is the Screencast-O-Matic. So Screencast-O-Matic is a tool that helps a teacher in recording everything they does on their computer. They can also add audio to the recording with the help of a microphone. This tool can be especially helpful for teaching involves modeling use in online tools and resource as students can effectively watch over the shoulder of the teacher. Next, or the last example is the Glogster. Glogster. Glogster is the internet resource that teachers and students can use to improve classroom activities. A glog is the only poster poster that allows the learner to build a customized page of the informations. The Glogster is the individual can fuse audio files, text, images, graphics, and other resources into these interactive tools. So this is all my reports. I hope you have learned a lot. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.